people who go to Tel Aviv today don't realize that things were different in the let's say in the 50s and 60s. For instance, every Friday afternoon there would be some sort of a vehicle passing through the city streets announcing that Shabbos is coming, and they made quite a ruckus with that. On Shabbat, you really couldn't buy anything. You needed a little milk because somebody came over and you had to go to a neighbor and ask for it. There were a couple of restaurants open for tourists, and that was it. It was a lot more observant in the traditional way than people imagine nowadays. When you go there, everything is open all the time, and I don't think that car with a siren is passing through city streets anymore. I doubt it. And on our street, there was one family that was really ultra Orthodox, with the girls wearing heavy socks, and I looked at them as if they were strange birds because we were running around in shorts. But they were still part of the human landscape. It's not that we. You know who was the first person I stared at as a kid? There was an African woman who came to study, who lived on our street, and I had never seen an African before. I've never seen a black person before. So to me, it was curious, and I remember walking after her and saying, is she wearing stockings or not? You know, it's somebody from another planet. But these religious guys, they're part of the landscape, and that was it. They were not your friends. You didn't go to their house, didn't come to your house, didn't go to your school.